There is a surge in North Texas police being trained to fly drones.
The small aircraft offer many advantages for public safety, but having so many eyes in the sky also raises privacy concerns. Ken Kaltoff has the story.
Neil Landfield supervises drones and 22 other officers certified to use them at the Arlington Police Department. They can't just go snooping around.
We don't use drones to generate probable cause. We fly where a police officer has the permission to go already.
This infrared Arlington drone video shows a wanted man on a roof was unarmed.
Come here now, over here to my sound of my voice. Come here right now.
It led to a peaceful surrender. Other times a drone might search an attic for an armed person where officers went before.
But now we can fly these small drones into attics with no light and let them see the $500 toy drone before we have a human that could get seriously injured.
Drones can launch quickly to support search and rescue operations like people stranded in storm damage. Criminal justice expert Alex Del Carmen says good outweighs drone concerns.
We always have the debate in the United States between the advancement of technology and whether or not our privacies are being consumed and in some cases, sacrificed.
So many new police eyes in the sky may spark privacy concerns, but training is supposed to guard against improper intrusion.
So I only see that as a positive as long as it is used responsibly and within the framework of the Constitution.
A Dallas police briefing this week says 107 officers have been certified to fly drones and more will be added in Dallas.
Ideally, each side of town would have someone available to be able to support calls for service on that side of town.
Arlington plans to train 8 more officers as drone pilots. In Arlington, Ken Kaltoff, NBC 5.